Hey folks, welcome to another How to Casio video. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to reset your calculator, particularly with the FX-9860G3 model. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we want to be doing is, of course, switch on your calculator. And what you want to do is use the cursor mode here and head down to, we're going to head down to System, right there. Click on EXE. And as you can see, there's quite a few options here. Now we're going to press F5 for reset. So we're going to click on F5 for reset. Now there's quite a few things here in terms of resetting. You've got your setup data, you've got your main memory, and you've got a few other things that's added on. Now if I click on F6, which is the next page, you actually have a selection for main and storage. So I'm going to kick off with that first. So I'm going to click on F1, and that's going to reset the main memory and the storage memory. And I'm going to click on F1 again, which is for yes. And there we go. So what's reset right now is the main memory and the storage memory. Now in some cases, folks might actually want to see the setup data being reset as well. So if that's the case, then when we go into the reset menu, we're going to click on F1, which is the setup data, and click on F1 again, and that should clear up the setup data. But for examination purposes, I would think that they would probably want to see this here. So we're going to go into the next page, which is the main and the storage. So resetting main memory and the storage memory. We're going to remove that. There we go. That whole thing is being reset now. You might need to correct me if I'm wrong here, but this screen is probably the one that the examiners want to see before you go into an exam. And that is just a quick little video to show you folks how to reset your calculators, particularly this model here.